Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hare Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Dasaka 69 of Narayaniyam is Rasalila Varnanam. This Dasaka is based on chapter 33 of Srimad Bhagavata Dashamaskanda. In the earlier Dasaka of Narayaniyam, we saw that Bhagavan reappeared hearing Gopika's lamentations. Krishna came out in full glory with outstretched arms towards Gopikas. The Gopikas were in thousands, but each one thought Bhagavan was coming towards her. He had assumed as many forms as there were gopis, illustrating thereby that he is within every living creature. They automatically formed a ring, one gopi and one Krishna. To the celestials above, it seemed a brilliant necklace of radiant pearls, alternating with flashing blue diamonds, was slowly turning round. Sri Narada Muni and Tumburu now appeared, turning their veena. Gandharvas with their drums were keeping time, and Apsaras with their harps sang and danced. And that dying of dance, Lord Shiva and the inimitable Nandi, the drummer, and Mahaganapati and Sri Muruga on the peacock joined the merry-go-round. Thus, they danced till the early hours of dawn, when Bhagavan bade them goodbye and they returned to their homes. The Gopas, that is their husbands, never missed them at all, thinking the gopis were with them all the time. As Krishna multiplied himself, even so Gopikas too doubled themselves. They were in the company of Krishna in the riverside, as also each one of them was with their families too. We must pause and reflect on this. Bhagavan's Rasalila defeated the power of the God of love. The God of love now accepted defeat. With all his attendants, the morning breeze, the buzzing bees, and beautiful women, he had come to conquer, and he was conquered. He even wished that he was born as a woman, as a gopi, so he could dance with Krishna. We will listen to this Rasakrida Varnana in Sri Bhattatari's verses in Narayaniyam now. केशपाशधृतपिञ्चिका वितति सञ्चलन्मकरकुण्डलं हारजालवनमालिकाललितम् अङ्करागकनसौरभं पीतचेलधृतकाञ्चिकाञ्चिदम् उदंशदं शुमणिनूपुरं रासकेलिपरिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे. A bunch of peacock feathers adorning the beautiful locks of hair, a pair of fish-shaped earrings dangling from the ears, many necklaces intermingled with flower garlands adorning the neck, a golden girdle fastened to the yellow silk garment adorning the waist, sandal paste and other unguents smeared on the body emitting strong fragrance, gem-studded anklets flashing forth a glow on such a radiant form of thee, with decorations appropriate for the rasa, we meditate on. तावदेव कृतमण्डले कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवती मण्डलेऽथ परिमण्डले अन्तरा सकलसुन्दरीयुगलम् इन्दिरारमणसञ्चरन् मञ्जुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयी कञ्चनाभसमुपादता. Then only having done the makeup and putting on the bodies on the breasts and be-gemmed earrings dangling on the cheeks, the group of young women formed a circle surrounding thee. O consort of Lakshmi, O Padmanabha, you moved about in between every two of the beautiful women and performed the very beautiful rasa dance. वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभं दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदागदिदम् आकलय्य कुतुकाकुला. वेषभूषणविलासपेशल विलासिनीशदसमावृता नागदो युगपदागदा वियदि वेगदोधसुरमण्डली. O Vasudeva, Narada described thy splendid, fragrant and beautiful Rasalila. Hearing about it from far, groups of gods full of eagerness came from the heaven and quickly gathered in the sky. They were accompanied by hundreds of beautiful women who were experts in dressing up and in adorning themselves with jewelry and also in amorous display. पेणुनादकृततानदानकलगानराग गतियोजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपादकृत तालमेलनमनोहरम् पाणिस्वङ्गणितकङ्कणं च मुहुरंसलम्बितकराम्बुजं श्रोणिबिम्बजलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलिरसडम्बरम्. The key notes of the flute set the tune, giving the sweet song and the ragas a flow and rhythm. The soft beat of the feet of the dancers kept time with the very pleasant beats of the music. The clapping of the hands mingled with the tingling sound of the bangles. During the dance, time and again, you placed thy lotus hands on the shoulders of the gopikas. As they danced about, the clothing on their waists fluttered on such enthralling majesty of the rasa dance. Let us meditate. Shraddhaya virachitanuganakೃತ ತಾರತಾರ ಮಧುರಸ್ವರೇ ನಿರ್ತನೇದಲಳಿದಾಂಗಹಾರ ಲುಳಿದಾಂಗಹಾರ ಮಣಿಭೂಷಣೇ सम्मदेन कृतपुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषत् दिविषदाङ्कुलं चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोहसवधूकुलम्. As though in competition, the singers raised their voices in successive strains. As the musical notes reached higher in pitch, the beautiful limbs of the dancers moved delightfully, displacing their necklaces and the be-gemmed ornaments on their body. The groups of gods watched with extreme joy and showered rains of flowers. Along with their women folk, they watched entranced, completely submerged in the pure consciousness. That is in Bhagavan. Svinnasannataru vallarīdadanu kāpi nama pashupāngana kāndamam samavalampadē svatava tāntibhāra mugulekshana काजिदाचलितकुन्दलानवपडीरसार घनसौरभं वञ्जनेन तव सञ्जुचुम्बभुजमञ्जितोरु पुलगङ्गुरा. One Gopika, slender and delicate like a creeper, tired and sweating with drooping eyes out of fatigue, supported herself on thy beautiful shoulder. Another woman with dishevelled hair to smell the fragrance of the fresh sandal paste on thy arm, slyly kissed thy arm, having horripilation over her body in the process. कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निजगण्डमाकुलितकुण्डलं पुण्यपूरनिधिरन्ववाप तव पूगचर्वितरसामृतम् इन्दिराविहृतिमन्दिरं भुवनसुन्दरं हि नडनान्तरे त्वामवाप्य ददुरङ्गना किमुन सम्मदोन्मददशान्तरम्. Another one who was repository of merits placed her own cheek on thy cheek with earrings dangling on them. She enjoyed the thrill as she intook the nectar-like juice from the betel chewed by thee. The Gopikas, during the dance, having achieved Lakshmi's sport field, thee, the most beautiful in all the worlds, what state of joyous intoxication did they not attain? गानमीश विरदं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारदं ब्रह्मसम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलं न नृतुरङ्गना नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्दलीमपि च कञ्जुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे. Oh, Hare, the singing stopped gradually and the musical instruments also ceased, but immersed deeply in the joy of Brahmic bliss, the women kept dancing in a circle. They were not even aware of the knot of clothing strings loosening or of their bodies having slipped or of their hair being dishevelled. The stars in the sky stood still in their course to enjoy all this. What more can I say? मोदसीम्नि भुवनं विलाप्य विहृतिं समाप्य च ततो विभो केलिसमृदितनिर्मलङ्गनवकर्मशेलसुभगात्मनां मन्मथा सहनचेतसां पशुभयोषिदां सुकृतचोदित स्तावदा कलितमूर्तिराददितमारवीर परमोत्सवान्. The world was engulfed in the highest bliss as the Rasa dance ended. The pure bodies of these women glowed with fresh perspiration drops caused by the dance and who were unable to bear the shafts of Kubit any longer. Oh, Hare Guruvayurappa, prompted by the meritorious deeds of Gopikas, though assumed as many forms as they were in number and performed an amorously great festivity. केलिभेद परिलोलिताभिरतिलालिताभिरबलालिभि स्वैरमीशननुसूरजापयसि चारुनाम विहृदिम्बधा कानने बिजविसारि शीतलकिशोरमारुत मनोहरे सूनसौरभमये विलासित विलासिनीशदविमोहनम्. Oh, Hare, the women were exhausted by the varied sports and were fondly caressed. Though performed sports with them at will in the waters of Yamuna, though also went around in the forests where a cool, gentle breeze was blowing, filled with fragrance of flowers, which dazed the large number of women with ecstatic joy. कामिनीरितिः यामिनीषु खलु कामनीयकनिधे भवान् पूर्णसम्मदरसार्णवं कमपि योगी गम्यमनुभावयन् ब्रह्मशङ्करमुखानपीह पशुभङ्गनासु बहुमानयन् भक्तलोककमनीयरूप कमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् भक्तलोककमनीयरूप कमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् भक्तलोककमनीयरूप कमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम्. O repository of all virtues, in this manner thou made the women experience the immense bliss of the nectar ocean in the nights. Such an experience only yogis may attain. This created in Brahma, Shiva and other gods a feeling of respect for Gopikas. Oh, though attainable to the devout people of such a nature, an attractive one, O Krishna, protect me. With this, the slokas of Dasaga 69, Rasakrida, has been completed. Now we will listen to Sati Suresh's bhajan song.
Rajani Janita Guru Jagara Ragaka Shayita Malasa Nivesham Vahati Nayana Anuragamiva Sputam Uditarasabhini Vesham Krishna Yahi Madhava Yahi Keshava Mavada Kaitava Vadam Tamanusara Sarasiruhalochana Yatava Harati Vishadadam Krishna Yahi Madhava Yahi Keshava Mavada Kaitava Vadam